Now let's see in our next chart the three levels: breakout, reversal and sideways individually. So here we are looking at a typical breakout situation happening. Price action candle is going up, and when it touches the resistance, it is able to break the resistance and give a breakout. So typical example of a breakout here. So likewise, there is a reversal example. The price action candle is going up, and when it touches the resistance line, it is not able to break the resistance, and a reversal happens here. Now there is a third scenario called sideways. In this, when price of a stock is going up, and when it touches the resistance line, it is able to break the resistance. However, again it faces a stronger resistance, and when it is going down, it actually faces the support also, strong support. So in this scenario, market goes in a zigzag way, up down up down up down. Such situation basically happens when there are closely packed resistance and support. So the price of a stock is like bouncy ball going up down, and this is a situation which is very common in the market, and sideways market happens. So now here is a typical example of all the three situations together, and this is what a live market situation looks like. I have shown you in the chart, and it is simply saying when a price of a stock is going up, it meets the resistance, and successfully when it is able to break the resistance, this is the breakout which has happened. We have already discussed this. Now there is a pullback which has happened, and there is another pullback, and it has taken now support on the same line which was resistance before, and again it went up, took a reversal from here, and then successfully again able to give a breakout, and in this situation took a pullback again, and then took next support here and took a reversal here, gave a reversal, price action took the reversal here, and then market started going sideways. I have already told you such situation happens when there is resistance and support in the close proximity. So these resistance and support are so close in contact that the price action candle is not able to move freely. So in such situations, sideways market happens, and it's a very important concept you have to understand. And it also says, we have already discussed, a support can convert itself into resistance, and in the same way resistance can also be converted into support.